hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. This is your science class and today we are going to continue with our lesson number 7, forms of matter, solids, liquids and gases. Students, in our last video we have discussed about what is matter. So, what is matter? Anything that you can see, you can touch, you feel or you can smell. Everything is made up of matter. So, we can define matter as anything which occupies a space and has some mass is matter. Students, matter exists on this earth in 3 states. What are those 3 states? Solids, liquids and gases. In the last video, we have discussed about their properties also. All these 3 states have their different properties. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the change of states of matter. Yes, students, as we know that matter exists on this earth in 3 states, solids, liquids and gases. These states can be changed into from one state to another. Like solids can be changed into liquid. Liquids can be changed into gases. Like this, gases can be changed into liquid and again liquids can be changed into their solid form. So, we will learn about this or we will discuss this topic with an example of water. Okay, let's go through it. So students, we have an example of water. Here you can see water exists on this earth in these 3 forms. First is ice, then water and water vapors. Okay? Ice is the solid form of water. Water that we generally drink is liquid form. Water vapors, gaseous. Okay, this is the gaseous state. So students, how this solid changes into liquid and how this liquid changes into its gaseous state, let us discuss about it. Students, when ice is heated up, or we can say on heating, ice changes into water. Okay, and on heating, the water changes into water vapors. You can see here the water is heated up here and the vapors are coming out of it. So students, we can define this process like this. When a solid changes into its liquid form on heating, this process is called melting. Okay, when a solid changes into its liquid form on heating, this process is called melting. When a liquid changes into its gaseous form on heating, this process is called evaporation. Just opposite to this process, another process occurs like when a gas, okay, when these water vapors cool down, these water vapors change into water. So we can define it like when a gas changes into its liquid form on cooling, this process is called condensation. What is this process called? Condensation. Okay. Again, when a liquid changes into its This process is called freezing. As all of you have must see that when you cool the water in the refrigerators, okay, when you freeze the water, what happens? You get the ice. So these are the processes by which the change of states of matter takes place. Okay, students, and all these three states of matter have their own uses. Means many things are used in solid forms, many of them used in liquid form, and many of the matter is used in their gaseous form. How? Let us read the examples from the book and understand. Okay? So students, as I have told you, whenever you go through the video, also keep your books with you. There are many examples of the uses of solids, liquids and gases in our daily life. Like the uses of solids, fruits, vegetables are the natural solids that we use to eat. Means for eating, all the things are used in solid form. Table, chair, bed and other furniture are also solids that we use in our homes. We use lunch box to carry lunch with a solid. That is a solid. Paper is also a solid we use for writing. Sweets we eat are also solids. There are many more examples you can see around you. Uses of liquids, like water is a liquid that you drink, juices are liquids that you drink, oil in which we cook our food, it is also a liquid, petrol, diesel on which the vehicles run is also a liquid, milk which is an energetic drink, it is also a liquid. Means the things that we use to drink are all in a liquid form. Okay. Now gases. What is the use of gas? Gases have we have a lot of uses of gases in our daily life. As you can see here, LPG gas is used for cooking. CNG is used to run vehicles. Plants use the carbon dioxide gas to prepare their food, and we, the human beings and all the living beings, use oxygen, which is a gas, to breathe. So students, there are many uses of all these three states of matter. Here we finish our lesson, and I want to wind up this class here. So students, hope you have understood all the topics very clearly. Now what you have to do, read the lesson by yourself once again and keep learning, keep smiling. All the best.